everyone! Today we're gonna make a Korean barbecue we call Bulgogi.
All the ingredients will be in the description below.
First, place the beef in a bowl, add the sugar and honey, gently combine all together and put it aside.
Blend the diced apple, onion and garlic along with soy sauce and cooking wine.
In the marinated meat, add the blended mixture. I drain the mixture on the sieve to get only the liquid. Then add the sesame oil and pepper.
Combine them well all together and put it aside for another 10 minutes.
Meanwhile, slice the leek, carrot, and mushroom.
Place the marinated meat in the heated pan and stir it.
Saute the beef for a minute, then add the carrot, mushroom, and leek. garnished with thinly sliced green onions and sesame seeds.
Wrap the bulgogi with lettuce and add the ssamjang. Enjoy!
Thank you for watching!
If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you!